The concept of affirmation action refers to the policies as well as the programs of the government that aims to address the historic or the ongoing inequalities by providing the preferential treatment or the opportunities to a certain groups that has been historically disadvantaged or marginalized. Now, one common form of affirmation action is the reservation system. Now, when we talk about the reservation system, the age-old caste system of India is responsible for the origination of the reservation system in India. Now, in simple terms, when we talk about the reservation system, it is about the facilitating the access of the seats or the opportunities for the backward classes so that they can be so that the concept of the equality can be applied to the whole system in India. Now, these opportunities can be whether it is in the government jobs, whether it is in the seats in the legislature, or when we talk about the seats in the educational system as well. Now, these seats or the reservation is given to the society, to a section of society who has been disadvantaged or been marginalized historically over the period of time. Now, as this reservation system is also known as the quota-based affirmation action. Now, this reservation can also be seen as the positive discrimination. Positive discrimination. Now, in India, when we talk about the reservation system in India, it is governed by the government policies that are backed by the Indian Constitution. Now, when we talk about the historical background of the reservation system, the William Hunter and Jyotirao Phule in 1882. Now, they both originally conceived the idea of the caste-based reservation system. Caste-based reservation system. Now, the reservation system that exists today in its true sense was introduced in 1933. In 1933 by the British PM, at that time, who was Ramsay MacDonald. Now, this system started when Ramsay MacDonald started presenting the Communal Award. Now, the award made the provisions for the separate electorates for the different communities like Muslim, Sikh, European, and many more. So, it was only after when Ramsay MacDonald started presenting this Communal Award. Now, after the long negotiations, Mahatma Gandhi and B.R. Ambedkar, now they signed this Poona Act, where it was decided that there would be only a single Hindu electorate. Now, in this Poona Act, it was decided that these separate electorates will not be there, and there will be only a single electorate with some certain reservations. So, after independence, when we talk about the after independence, only the reservation was given to the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. But in 1991, the OBCs, that is the other backward classes, was also included in the ambit of reservation in 1991, only after the Mandal Commission was set up, which we will discuss.